Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about a couple of things, and yes, you read the title right. 25k probably or possibly is incoming, and I'm going to explain you why. So before we start, the usual, use a VPN if you want to get in contact with me. Discord or Twitter, everything is in the description. We have quite a nice community here. Thunderrock, I think he's the star of the community. He made the most posts and I'm grateful for that. So right now here we are looking at the Bitcoin chart and everything seems to be normal, everything seems to work out. Bitcoin is going up and down. We are expecting it to go and attack the 40k right now because yes, it seems that we passed the phase C, we had the spring and the test, and now everything should be something like this. But something is happening and I'm going to talk about that just a moment, because before that I want to check on the Elrond as well. Elrond right now is at 95%, and as you can see for 3 days now, for 3 days it's trying to breach through the 200-day moving average, and I'm happy to see that. I'm happy that there is juice in the price, there is force in the project, and yeah, that makes me very happy. Of course, regarding that, we have some new updates from Benny Minku. The testing is ongoing. They are testing this week as well, and he said that this week we are going to have some big announcements. More precisely, next big update coming during the next weekend. This was yesterday, and yeah, we are waiting for it. Let's see what it is. Let's see what he's gonna update us with Saturday or Sunday. Now what I want to talk about is the Bitcoin crash which could come, or a bigger consolidation, and that is because of the JP Morgan locked Bitcoin shares. Yes, right now they are like ETF, but not really ETF. JP Morgan offers to their clients, to those clients who don't want to deal with exchanges, Bitcoin shares, and they can lock it, or they have to lock it. I'm not 100% sure about that, but they locked quite some Bitcoins, more precisely 16,000 of Bitcoins, which are going to be released on the 19th of July. Well, this can be a very big sell pressure, because as you can see, since January we went to 64 and then we came back now to 35, and it might happen that some of their clients, or maybe all of them, want to cash out because everyone is predicting that a market crash is incoming. And regarding that, I'm gonna also talk about in tomorrow's video, because I'm gonna start and buy some precious metals, and I will tell you why I don't go all in on crypto, but I am now gonna move a big chunk of my money and diversify it to prepare for this inflation-induced market crash which we are going to face, or it seems that we are going to face. But right now let's come back to the Bitcoin. So on July 19th these Bitcoin shares are going to be released. That could mean that people will cash out. If they cash out, of course there will be a sell-off, and the JP Morgan analysts say that Bitcoin could visit the 25k. Now here are a couple of things which we need to consider. One of them is that the 25k is also a CME gap. If Bitcoin goes down and closes the CME gap, there is a good chance that it's going to bounce back. As I told you a couple of times already, I have a buy order set at 25k, and probably others have as well. Now this is not where I stop, because right now I have my liquidity and I'm gonna set up buy orders for Ethereum as well at a minus 50%. I already have set up buy order for Elrond, and I'm gonna also do and set up some buy order for a couple of altcoins like Orn, because if Orn goes down from here, from the 5-ish to, I don't know, 3 for example, or 4, from there I expect a very big jump, and it's gonna be a 5-6x until the all-time high. Now what can you do now? As I told you, buy orders are usually okay-ish. If you are still with unrealized loss, with minus, then I would suggest don't panic, stay and wait out how this plays out, because everybody now is waiting for this. Also, on the 21st of July, we will have the big talk where Elon Musk will talk with Jack from Twitter about crypto and everything else, but I am 100% sure that the big topic will be the crypto and it will have some effect. Now, if Elon will praise again crypto and they will just explain that we will offer again for people to buy Tesla with Bitcoin, which is not a big sum of money, it's just some news, it has some news on the market, and that makes some fluctuations, we would see in these 18th to 21st or 22nd a big volatility on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, and people will have some very good entry point opportunities. Let me know in the comments what you think about this, and let me know in the comments if you have buy orders set up and where you have them set up and what coins, obviously. Also, tomorrow we will talk about what is about the market crash, what is my plan for the market crash, and it involves crypto, it involves indexes like S&P 500, and it involves precious metals like gold, silver and other ETFs. So if you are interested about my theory about that as well, make sure that you watch tomorrow's videos. But until then, this is what I want to talk about today, and thank you very much for watching. Hit the like button if you like the content and subscribe, obviously. See you tomorrow.